Guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm SHIVB from Pen My Blog. Now with regards for today's topic, we are going to be finally talking about the Beauty Blender foundation. Now as you guys know, I got this foundation last year before it was brought down to Malaysia, but to be honest, I was a little bit hesitant to talk about it just because of the shade range that it initially came out with, but they have yet expanded. So for today, we're going to be talking about the Beauty Blender Bounce Liquid Whip Longwear Foundation. Now this is going to be a first impressions video, but as always, before we begin anything, please do click on that subscribe button and join the family, because you guys, I would really love to see you guys come back. So with all that being said, let's jump right into this video. Now I'm a little bit picky when it comes to my foundations, you guys, just because a lot of the shades that I get don't exactly match. I have about 5 to 6 foundations that have the exact match, but because of my undertone, I kind of have to mix my foundations in between to get the shade that I want. So hence as to why with this, we have the Blend 3.60. That is my code for the Beauty Blender foundation, and that is the one that I'm going to be using today. I really hope it is going to suit, because I picked this off the internet and I haven't really tried it out yet. But as I mentioned to you guys earlier, this is going to be a first impression, so we're going to see if the shade is going to fit me. Now there are already a lot of videos on YouTube showing you how the foundation dispenses, how it locks and unlocks. It does have the mechanism to do that behind, which I think is very innovative, and it also pumps out the foundation to this little dispensary in the front, and then you can basically use your Beauty Blender, bounce, and then apply it over the face. So in terms, you guys, I do not have any foundation on. I don't even have a primer yet, but I am going to put a very hydrating one because my skin has been a little dry lately, but I've been masking every day, and you guys, I'm so happy with my skin condition. It is a little bit dry, but I can work with it. Now for the primer that I'm using, I'm going to be using my Glow On Hydra Base. This one is from Etude House, and once that is done, I'm going to be trying on the foundation. So let's bounce. Okay, so I've applied the foundation and I know I look a little bit like a blank canvas right now, but my first overall thoughts about it is that the foundation is extremely lightweight. For half the face, I took about 2 to 3 pumps because I want to see how full coverage it is able to build up into, and you guys, it cancelled out all my redness. I don't feel any dryness anywhere, and blending the foundation out was really seamless. So on overall first impressions, I really like the foundation. Now in terms of how everything is going to sit on top, I'm going to quickly apply the rest of my makeup off camera, and I'll be right back to show you guys the overall look. Alright you guys, so this is the completed look, and in terms of how I think the foundation is wearing under everything else, I think it's holding up really great, and it has a sort of velvet matte finish that I really like. It is extremely lightweight. I don't see any creases. I'm not sure if this translates on camera already, but it is pretty flawless. So in terms of the first impressions, I think the foundation is really great, and you know, it is a great thing that they have come out with more shades, so I'm really happy with that as well. And in terms of the retail price at $179, you guys, I think that is such a steal for a foundation, and you get 1.0 fluid ounce, which is the standard foundation size, so you get a very decent amount for a good price. So in terms, you guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did find this video informative and helpful, then please do click on that thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. So in the meantime, you guys, that is basically it for today's video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.